If I was a millionaire, I'd still be thrifty. And today I want to show you some clothes that I got from Walmart. We're going to check out the quality, the style, how they look, and let me know in the comments below which outfit or which item is your favorite. So let's get started right now. The first thing I wanted to show you was these pants. Now it's kind of hard to see, so I will show you all the way from top to bottom. But these are very stretchy, very soft. They are tight at the top. Oh, somebody just started vlogging. They are tight at the top, and they're tight throughout the leg, and then right as they hit the knee, they turn into a little bit of flare. Let me stand on a chair so I can show you the flare. Okay, and as you can see, they have this beautiful flare. They actually came in several different patterns, so I have a few more to show you. But these are the first pants that I got from Walmart, and they were only $7.96 a piece. Let me show you the rest. The next pair I got have more of a denim look. Still the same price. I did size down on these because they were the size that I normally wear, and the ones I just showed you were one size up. So they are definitely snug. I would actually suggest sizing up on these pants. They are the same style as the last. And once again, here are the legs of the pants. In addition to these cute pants for $7.96, I also got this cute pink shirt. And I thought that it would be really cute with this style of pant. This shirt was about $9.99, I believe. I love how it has this little tie in the front. I don't like low-cut shirts, so I'm still wearing my little black tank top. But this shirt looks really cute without anything under it. It's a very cute summer shirt. It's kind of a little crop top. So you can wear it either way, but I choose to wear a tank top underneath. I'm a little modest. So these are the next two items that I got at Walmart. Hang tight and I'll show you some more. The next pair I got are army pants. And to me, wait, just hit the guitar. And to me, these pants just scream like, let's hang out. So let me show you what they look like. They still have this top area that's a separated piece of fabric. Here is the back. Just like the other pants, these pants do have the flare at the bottom, and it is quite snug at the top. And they are so comfy. Now we're going to switch to some dresses that I got at Walmart that are so darn cute. I can hardly wait to show you. The next piece I have to show you is this really cute dress. And just wait until you see the bottom. This dress was only $15.96, and I think that is a fantastic deal for a lovely summer dress. Now, I'm going to probably trigger some of you when I do this, and
for that I'm very sorry.
I hate these things. Okay, much better now. So let me show you the rest of the dress. So as you can see, as I'm sitting, the dress in the front is actually short, and then the dress in the back is long. So let me show you what the dress looks like in its entirety. Okay, and this is what the bottom of the dress looks like. Panty shot. Sorry. Okay, so this is the next item I wanted to show you, and there is a matching dress that I'm going to show you in the next video. Let me do a quick spin and show you what the back looks like. You have this lovely lace. Please excuse my bra. Obviously you'd do something about that. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value out of this video, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. That will help support the channel. In addition, if you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you won't miss an upload. I upload videos about creative living, so that includes style, beauty, wigs, crafts, and furniture. There are a lot of things to do on my channel, and you could spend hours here. So I will see you in the next video. Peace out.